Okay, everybody's up. It's a beautiful morning. We are gonna go get coffee and some breakfast sandwiches. We make our coffee every single day, but sometimes when we're camping out at Woodby, we buy it out. And it's so good. So good to have someone else make your coffee for you. Actually, Jordan makes my coffee every morning, so it's always delicious.
If we get him special items and like special, they got to let him go over to the farm and he gets to eat all the billy goats.
In order to cross the bridge.
Yes.
How do they defeat him?
I don't know. They just kick him in the shins. Kick him in the shins.
Breakfast sandwiches. We finally found our cousins.
Right there.
We went to 3 different coffee stands to find these breakfast sandwiches.
Dude, get in the car. Okay, everybody shut up.
I forgot what I was saying. We got our breakfast sandwiches. We found our cousins. We went to 3 different coffee stands to find these breakfast sandwiches because that was our plan. We didn't pack breakfast food really. And now we're headed to our cabin to show our family where it's at and what it is and everything. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah. Here he is. I've been waiting for this. Wesley, get over here. One weekend at a time, basically. Wrestling the monster. Okay. We just had a bunch of snacks and he's just rolled off the bed, so the kids are all snacked up. We're gonna go on the nature trail, I think. What? Wanna go outside?
Baba. Baba.
Peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo.
Where you want to be with Mama?
Why is it going all the way up there?
Do I see it?
I said I was sorry and she
What's up with this
forgave me.
abandoned house? That's unreal.
That's on the other side.
Oh, that's the way Jordan took me.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get this out of the
Look
way.
at that thing.
Okay. I'm gonna come down here though in case it.
Yeah.
Jordan,
Oh. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look at the inside of it.
what is that?
What'd you name it?
Jelly.
That's a creative name.
Oh, that's so gross.
Pick it up, Hank. Everyone else has done it.
Does it sting?
No, these ones don't sting.
Lay your head down.
Bury that girl.
Lay your head down.
It says they don't sting. And people dig up.
What are you guys doing?
We're building, I'm building a pool.
Ooh.
Me and Wesley, we're trying to build a stream that goes into our pool.
Ow. Don't, honey, don't. Hey, let go.
I want the pool super big.
It's gonna be. We're gonna get all of our
All right, Ben and Annie and Grandma and Nan and the boys are headed back to the mainland. We're gonna head back to the cabin and paint and do some things.
Beach day is over. We just got back from the beach. Anna and the kids went for a drive so that the baby could sleep, and I'm going to work on this fascia here. This never got painted. This never got painted. And a bunch of stuff in front never got painted, so I got a little bit of time, so I'm just gonna work on that. And then the kids are all gonna come back. They're getting smoothies, I think. When the sun goes down, we're gonna start a fire and do your standard hot dogs and s'mores and all that good stuff. So it'll be a camp night tonight. I better get back at it. Where the heck did you find a Burger King at?
Me and you shared this. It's really good. So we got burgers and frappuccinos. I popped into the camper to get a lighter because we are going to start a fire. Let's go! Burn, baby, burn. Can I see that again? I didn't. Very cool. We have decided to head home. Jordan's at a good stopping point. The kids really want to stay, but instead of Jordan taking the day off of work tomorrow, he is going to take a whole week off, and we're gonna coordinate having the grandparents come out with us and just kind of be more prepared for a longer stay, because I want to go home and shower after being in the salt water, and we have some other things we need to finish up at home. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here by the fire by myself for a few minutes, and then we're gonna start. Me and Hank are gonna hang out by the fire. That'll be nice, just the two of us.